Hello guys, welcome to a new Range Rover video, and this video will handle about the blower motor. The blower motor stopped working at once, and in these winter temperatures we need to get warm inside. So I bought this piece here. Bought it in the UK, but it came from China apparently. It lasted a few weeks before it was here, and it is the Final Stage Resistor. So we will try to replace that one. It is somewhere here under the dash and it is very difficult to reach, but we will try it anyways, and hopefully we can do it, and hopefully the problem is solved with this, because this resistor has the tendency to be the reason if the heater blower stops working. Not always, but let's hope that's the reason and that it is fixed with it. So stay tuned. So it should sit somewhere underneath here. So we will have to remove this panel and this panel here also, to be able to get to the resistor there. So let's start. So the first panel, I got the first panel loose, one screw here and one clip here where it sits right there, and here's the clip. There it is. So one screw and one clip for this panel. So, and then the second panel came out, two screws, one here and one here, and it sits underneath here, so we will have to put it that way. I guess so. So there is one electrical connector on the back of this panel, and then only then we can take it out. So that we will have to remove. So we got it out, and it has to go in this way. This way. So after taking out this torque screw here, put this downwards and through here, and then it should come loose on this side here, and it should come out. It's not easy to do, but here we have it. Here it is. So, as far as I can see, there is one guide pin that goes in here, and another one that goes in here. So no screws. I will try to show you how it sits under the dash. So when you go under the dash here, and then up there in the on the right side, there sits the resistor, and as you can see on the top right, there is a guide pin, and underneath is one guide pin, and then one electrical connector that has to come loose. So let's try to remove it and put the other one in. So I finally got it out. Can't say it was easy. It was really a pain in the yes. And I can show you where it's at, and behind it you can see the blower motor. So on the top right you can see the guide pin. Trying to get it a little bit sharper. There. You can see the guide pin, and on the lower left side there should be a guide pin too. But in that hole it has to fit. So now we are going to try to put the new one inside. So I finally got it into the guide pins. And the electrical connector is on. So now I hope it works. You're going to see it with me live, and let's see what it does. Turn on the blower. Hey, you hear it? It works. Okay, it works. It blows really well. Okay. Okay. So that is fixed. So guys, thank you all for watching. As you saw, I was very happy to have saved the problem with the blower, but make no mistake, in my opinion, this is not an easy job, but it is possible that it depends from car to car. In my case, the electrical connector wouldn't come loose. It came only loose when I used the vice grip. Also, the resistor itself didn't come out. I couldn't get it out with my hand, so I had to use a vice grip for that too. On top of that, the new resistor didn't fit very well on the guide pins, so I had to use a lot of force to get it on place. And last but not least, it was a hell of a job to get the blower duct back on the place where it stood and to make it fit underneath like it was before. However, this being said, I am very proud that I succeeded to do it myself, and it was a very rewarding job at the end. So guys, there's already a new Range Rover video in the making that I will post very soon, so stay tuned for that. So again, thank you all for watching. Find us on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. Hit the like button. Subscribe if you didn't already. Have a wonderful day and I will see you in the next one. Peace.